Tech tip number 4. Ways to optimize efficiency and boost productivity in your manufacturing processes. Aim to eliminate waste and maximize value in every aspect of production with these common lean practices. Reduce lead times. Identify and eliminate non-value added activities, minimizing lead times and accelerating delivery schedules for your customers. By identifying and eliminating non-value added activities through lean principles, your B2B manufacturing processes become more streamlined. As a result, production lead times are significantly reduced, allowing you to fulfill orders faster and meet tight customer deadlines. The ability to deliver products promptly enhances your reputation as a reliable supplier, potentially attracting more clients and repeat business. Enhance quality. With a focus on continuous improvement, lean manufacturing helps you detect and address quality issues promptly, ensuring top-notch products and customer satisfaction. Lean manufacturing promotes a focus on continuous improvement and empowers employees to actively participate in quality enhancement initiatives. As a result, you can identify and address potential defects and production issues early on, leading to higher quality products. Improved product quality translates into fewer returns or warranty claims, ultimately boosting customer confidence and loyalty. Optimize inventory. Lean principles encourage just-in-time inventory management, reducing excess stock and associated carrying costs while maintaining sufficient supply to meet demand. Applying lean principles to your inventory management ensures that you maintain the right amount of stock at any given time. By adopting just-in-time inventory practices, you minimize excess inventory and associated carrying costs, freeing up capital that can be invested in other areas of your business. This leaner approach also reduces the risk of inventory obsolescence, maximizing your return on investment. Empower workforce. Engage your workforce in lean initiatives to foster a culture of continuous improvement, resulting in motivated employees and a proactive problem-solving approach. Engaging your workforce in lean initiatives fosters a sense of ownership and empowerment among employees. When team members actively participate in process improvement, they are more likely to contribute innovative ideas and problem-solving solutions. A motivated workforce invested in lean principles can lead to a positive work environment, increased productivity, and a more collaborative culture. Boost customer satisfaction. Lean-driven efficiencies enable you to fulfill customer orders promptly and accurately, enhancing overall customer experience and loyalty. Lean-driven efficiencies directly impact customer satisfaction. With lean manufacturing practices in place, you can ensure faster order processing and on-time deliveries. Consistently meeting or exceeding customer expectations enhances their overall experience and builds strong, long-term relationships with your B2B clients. Satisfied customers are more likely to become advocates for your brand and refer others to your services. Drive cost savings. By eliminating waste and optimizing resources, lean manufacturing enables you to minimize costs and improve your bottom line. One of the core principles of lean manufacturing is waste reduction. By identifying and eliminating waste across various processes, you can achieve significant cost savings. Whether it's reducing material waste, optimizing energy consumption, or minimizing downtime, these cost-saving measures contribute to a more profitable and competitive business.